Assalamu alaikum. This is IK Cattle and Dairy Farm. I am Jarjieskazmi from Haryana, IK Cattle Farm Lahore. The evening Vanda session has been completed. MashaAllah. Look at the miners. इस खूबसूरती से ये लाइनअप हुए हैं, ये देखिए। इनको अनलीश रखा जाता है इस कंपाउंड में। It is a bit cloudy today here. Let's see it from this angle. Just look at the herd. The movement is so synchronized. They have been not taught, they are not being trained this way. But the movement is miraculous. It is so synchronized, as if they have been attending some school on daily basis. Just awesome. It is a great blessing, undoubtedly. Wonderful to see. Spectacular. तमाम की एजेस in between 5 to 6 months. Let's go on the other side. ये एक पूरी पेडिग्री हमारे पास है, इनकी माएँ और बाप भी हमारे पास हैं. This is the dairy section first at IK Cattle and Dairy Farm. From this side we take you to the other side. That is the second dairy section, and that one is the feedlot fattening, the last one, along with dairy as well. Some of the cows are expecting here in that piece of land. Yes, you can see it. Some of the cows are expecting there within days. It is a matter of days now. This is the berseem crop up till that end. Let's have a closer look. It's growing day in and day out by the grace of very kind Almighty God. Wonderful to watch from here. Lush green. Beautiful. Thank you so much for being with us. Take very good care of yourself. God bless all of you. Ameen.